the rating of earthquakes. Rating of earthquakes means it is the method that is commonly used to find the size of the earthquakes. Size means size of earthquakes means to what extent the earthquake is big or small. Suppose we consider the small tremors happening in Kerala, and in another case, if you consider the earthquakes which occur in the Himalayan ranges of India, we will see that the earthquakes which occur in Kerala are smaller in size, whereas the earthquakes which occur in the Himalayan ranges, they are larger in size. So in order to find out the size of the earthquakes, we use the process known as rating. There are two methods very commonly used to rate the earthquakes. First one is the use of magnitude scale. And the second one is the use of intensity scale. Magnitude scale is the method of rating the earthquake in which you use the maximum amplitude of the earthquake waves. So we will consider the magnitude scale first. So in the case of magnitude scale, the size of the earthquake is estimated based on the maximum amplitude of the seismic waves. So that is known as magnitude, and the scale, imaginary scale which you use to measure the size of the earthquake is known as the magnitude scale. It was first proposed. Magnitude scale was first proposed in 1935 by Charles F. Richter. It is known as Richter scale. On Richter scale, magnitude is defined as the log to the base 10 of maximum amplitude of seismic waves recorded by a seismograph at a depth of 100 km from the epicenter of the earthquake. So this is the definition of Richter scale or Richter magnitude. It was proposed in 1935 by Charles F. Richter. Magnitude is defined as the log to the base 10 of maximum amplitude of seismic waves recorded by a seismograph which is placed at a distance of 100 kilometers from the epicenter. This scale was then modified as Richter scale was then modified as Richter magnitude is equal to log to the base 10 of A minus log to the base 10 of A0, where A is the amplitude of maximum amplitude of earthquake waves or seismic waves recorded by any seismograph placed anywhere for a given occurrence, given earthquake. Whereas A0 is the amplitude of maximum amplitude of seismic waves recorded by a seismograph in the vicinity of the same area where you have measured the A. So that means A0 is actually a standard value of maximum amplitude of seismic waves. If an earthquake has occurred at X, A is for that given occurrence, what is the amplitude of the seismic waves? A0 is for the given place. When you consider the seismic history of that particular area, from that seismic history, you take a standard value of A0. So that is A0. And the demerit of a Richter scale is that when the magnitude for any earthquake for which the magnitude is above 7 or 7.5, Richter scale is not able to give a proportionally higher value. So we normally do not use Richter scale for larger sized earthquakes, and for such earthquakes we use moment magnitude scale. Thank you.